Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the switch is updated and connected to a reliable network because app installs require the latest system software. Once done, sign into your Nintendo account so purchases or free downloads sync. Next, open the eShop and search for the YouTube app. This is the first actionable step toward streaming. If the app appears, select it and choose Download or Get. This triggers installation and prepares the home menu shortcut for the next phase. After the app installs, launch it and follow on-screen prompts. You do this so the app configures permissions and playback settings. When it requests sign-in, pick the sign-in on a separate device option and note the activation code. Then visit YouTube. .com/activate on your phone or laptop and enter that code to link accounts. This step authorizes subscriptions, watch history, and personalized recommendations. Make sure to grant any permission. Prompts so casting and playback work smoothly once linked. Now test playback by playing a short video and adjusting quality to balance smoothness and clarity. You do this to confirm streaming stability. If you encounter buffering or dropouts, restart the switch and your router and make sure you try a 5 GHz band or move closer to the access point to reduce interference. If the app crashes or won't open, reinstall YouTube or check for another system update. These final steps resolve most issues and get you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.